Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Exodus Wallet application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To uninstall Exodus Wallet application on your Android device, first go to your app drawer and find Exodus Wallet app. Once you find it, press hold to the app for quite some seconds and you'll be able to see a pop-up displayed immediately above. Tap the uninstall button and confirm your action by tapping on OK in the pop-up. Once you tap OK, that way you can easily uninstall or delete Exodus Wallet application from your Android. Pretty simple, isn't it? That is how you can easily get rid of an application you no longer need, quick and easy. Hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.